What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to see the people that you banned within your Discord server. Now this is super helpful if you want to unban someone but you can't quite remember your username, or in any other instance for that matter. So once you have your Discord app open, I'm on mobile but this works for PC as well. You're just going to do it all the same. Just open your Discord app and head over to your server. Then hit the little three dots next to the name of your server. Should be a similar layout on PC. Once you hit these little three dots, it should bring up a menu where you could access all sorts of settings. And then in the toolbar all the way at the top, if you go all the way to the right, there's a settings icon. You're going to hit that. And then if you just scroll all the way down, there's actually its own category for this. Under user management, there is an option for bans. And then I haven't really banned on anyone on this server, but once you hit the bans icon, it's going to take you to this menu here, and you will see all the people that you've banned listed here. If you have any questions or you were confused by this tutorial, don't hesitate to drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.